The SEO, we will learn in this episode how a search engine works first of all. Many of us think that Google, or the world's largest search engine, it actually knows everything. There is even a proverb in everywhere. Ask Google what you don't know. Google will say it all. But how true is this? Does Google really know everything? No, sir, actually knows nothing. Google only knows what's available somewhere, that's it. There is no knowledge outside of that. I want to make this a little clearer. Take a library. A library is a mine of knowledge or a repository of knowledge. Now there is a librarian. You go to a library. Gotta ask him where to find Einstein's book. He might tell you in less than a minute. When you go a shelf, you've got that book by Einstein. From there you can go and read the book. Now the librarian doesn't know what's inside the book, or that book of knowledge. Librarian doesn't nothing. He only knows which books are placed in which place. Google plays the same role. Google doesn't know anything about itself. He only knows where the knowledge can be found. And that's what he shows in front of you. When you search by typing something on Google, because of his knowledge, she knows what's on a website. She from there, you. The links to this page are in front of you. When you go to a certain website page, you can know this information, and you are that. Click the link. Basically, you collect information from this website. Basically, you have to gather no information from Google without a link to the website. And that's essentially the role of search engine. Now the question comes to this is that I said Google. Google knows where to find different websites. This is how Google actually has information. This data is being stored by Google. Google has a number of automatic software. Google Spider or Bot. Or Spider, whatever the crawler is called. Bot or crawler. One such function or one software. 24 automatic software in 24 hours. By 7. The entire internet world. Walk around and see. A new website has arrived. What has changed on the website? What information is added to the website? What information has been deleted? All this information means see the whole internet world. Such a big world. In this world, where is it happening at the moment? His news keeps getting around this bot. And Google continues to deposit in the database. That has been some changed on the some website. Today, I suddenly came up with the SEO update. Come up with a new tutorial or came up a new Facebook marketing tutorial. We have published on our website that Facebook marketing tutorials. What will Google bot do? Then go to my website, go and see, a new tutorial has arrived. He will send this information to Google. What Google will do, this information will be stored in the database that the Facebook marketing tutorial of this came out. Whenever someone writes a Facebook marketing tutorial and searches, then he has the information stored in his database since that a tutorial about Facebook marketing. If he sees us call us Facebook tutorial quality done, then he is ours. The Facebook tutorial was written on the page. We'll present that page to everyone. This is the work of just Google. Other than that, Google has nothing to do. Google actually, now I show you a nice example. Already I showed you how fast Google is. This can work. Like if I write here bestie. Mobile T2018 2018's best mobile phone. Here I am doing all select. Here was the image selected. See. When I wrote and searched best mobile 2018. Now just this little statistics you notice a little better. Surely already understands. 9.6 billion results, that means this mobile phone is the best mobile of 2018. The best mobile phones of 2018. Websites that talk about their websites. The websites speaking means different information is provided on the website. The amount of that information means the indexing of that information to Google. 9.6 billion can see this here. 640 million results. Google brought us to from the entire internet, and how long it took? Only 0.49 seconds. In less than half a second. Google has shown us 900,640 million results. Now realize how fast it is. Google processes and how much shows us in front of fast speed. This is essentially the power of Google. And knowing this whole searching, Google's entire system works by this rule. She sends bots, crawler, all day long. The internet gathers information, and whenever someone searches according to the websites, she shows me links to websites. Just this is IT. And look here, some information is provided by default here, and this information but not Google's own information. If you visit this website, you will find this information. And what Google did, cut by pulling some information from this website. He showed up in front of her, who searched. It's called snipe to convince him easily. Through various snippets like this on Google, many times the answers to the various results are displayed face-to-face. Collects information from inside various websites. So this is happening. Google or search engine. Now I have a question on my mind. This is what you should remember. This is what I said Google keeps turning in 24 hours after all website information. So it doesn't have to be that you don't think once. On Facebook, you send a lot of personal messages, personal photos. Google has to look at them. The data is sent to Google. If so, people have no privacy. Actually, this can be controlled. I will make a website. I may have personal information on my website. I may have personal information on my social media, but my internet will have my personal information. Google saw that. Send her bot to find out. It cannot be done that way. 4. SEO has some systems for controlling Google bots. This is called the robot.txt file. This robots.txt is Viat's file. We can control our website. That Google bot will come on any page of my website. Google bots won't come on any page. Then we can give the rules of obstruction. If we stick a page, no Google bots will enter this page. Google bots or other search engine bots can never be able to access this site. And he can't index my information. Indexing means there is information on my website. This information is saved by Google. This information is available on my website. That means Google can't index all exit if it wants to, if his index does not have a proper permission. Hope your Google or how this searching scheme works. Got a very clear idea about that. Thank you for watching video. Take care, bye bye.